because I didn't get the second board like this one, I cannot finish the McCormack amplifier because I'm waiting for that board. Like that I can start installing everything inside the chassis. Then I have also this project ongoing, which is the DIY Krell KSA 100 MK2 amplifier, which is delayed because this chassis is somewhere around the world, because the seller sent it by ship, not by airplane, and is traveling around the world, and who knows when it will gonna be here. And I really wanted to finish the McCormack before we are going to holiday, because I wanted Visual to come to collect it, but looks like, you know, when you make a plan, nothing goes how you plan it. So yeah, we're gonna be delayed. I think I'm gonna finish when we come back from holiday in August. And because we're gonna be away all the July, I'm gonna take with me this multimeter, this portable soldering station, which I did a review on it. If you want to see how it's working, you can watch this video. Kaiwitz TS02 soldering iron. Is a USB powered and is really powerful. Maybe also a screwdriver set with me to have there, and because we're gonna be a very long, and this is what also I want to announce, that in July we're gonna be less videos, and if I might find there in Philippines something to fix around, at least I have with me the soldering station, a 100 multimeter, and some screwdrivers in order to open the stuff, right? I also get this one really cheap. Just you can see there, I pay only £8 for it, and the shipping, it will gonna be £5, I believe. In total, I remember I paid just £13, which we're gonna use it for a project to see if I can fix it, or otherwise I'm gonna build inside a nice amplifier, and I'm gonna arrange a giveaway on it. Yeah, stay tuned, please subscribe to don't miss that giveaway. Yeah, I wanted just to tell you that I'm gonna miss a bit with the videos during the July because we are going in holiday, and a few things that are on the way, and a few things that I couldn't finish them before going because waiting for parts is a nightmare. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, activate notification bell for more videos on August, because July we're gonna be quite less. And if you're interested in all the tools that I use around my working bench, check the links on the description down below. And until the next one, guys, have a good one, and bye bye.